Hello guys, I'm just gonna share with you the advantage of having a diesel or a onboard diesel heater on your Jeep. So this is our 2000 Jeep TJ. It's set up for overlanding. As you can see, I have a bed on the back, and then I have a net on the top, ready for camping all the time. So I was here in the parking lot waiting for my wife because she went for shopping. Then it was raining outside. When I turned off my Jeep, I feel like it started getting cold inside. So what I did is I turned on my diesel heater. That's the one on the back. It was running right now. It's getting warm now inside. I did that so that I don't have to turn on my Jeep all the time. It's been like half an hour, 45 minutes now. Then all my gas tank for my diesel is outside my Jeep. That way up there. So I think it's nice to have a built-in diesel heater inside your Jeep, so you don't have to run your car all the time. I think so. I think it's a good and works for me. I'm just sharing this thing, guys. Thank you.